Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? Well, today is Vlogtober day 6. Today's recipe is gonna be Guyanese chowmein and mince. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright? Follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. And thank you guys so much for supporting me on my Vlogtober. Alright? So, hope you guys enjoy. See you tomorrow on the next dish. Bye! Here's my ingredients. Hi guys, here's the ingredients for my chowmein and mince. First, we have some thyme here, parsley flakes, all-purpose seasoning, mustard hot sauce, paprika, some sweet corn. We have a tin of tomato paste. We have chicken cubes, grated carrots. I finely grated. I have some shallot, sweet pepper, and some onion. And here we have some ginger, grated garlic, and our mince. And this is the pack of chowmein. I'm going to use Champion pack of chowmein today. Okay guys, so I just put on my pot of water. So I'm going to put half pack of the chowmein into the pot. I'm not going to use the whole pack. I'm just going to use half pack because I'm cooking for myself. My baby don't eat chowmein, so this is just for me alone. Alright, so I put half back in. Oh, I already put my a teaspoon of salt in it as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna stir it and let it cook. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chowmein is boiling, so I'm gonna fry up my mince now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put about 2 teaspoons of oil into the pot and make sure they're all over. And then you're gonna fry up your veggies. I'm gonna fry up my onion, sweet pepper, and shallot. And my carrots. I'm going to leave back a little carrot for the end. Also, I'm going to put in my garlic and my ginger. Also, I'm going to put in my parsley flakes. I'm going to mix everything together, fry up everything, all my veggies. Alright? You're going to fry this up for about 2 minutes or so. So we'll be back. Okay, so everything has been frying up for about 2 minutes. So we're going to season up our veggies now. So I'm going to put in 1 cube for now. If I have to put more, I'll let you know. I'm going to put in some thyme powder. I'm going to put in my mustard hot sauce, about a tablespoon. I'm going to put in my paprika. And I'm going to put in my tomato paste. Let me just stir this up a little bit. And then I'm going to put in my tomato paste. My veggie is well seasoned up. So you're going to put in your tomato paste now. Alright. Tomato paste can give it a nice flavor and a nice color as well. So now we're going to put in our mince. Now you're gonna mix your mince into your veggies. All right, and you're gonna cook it until the mince is brown. All right, so we'll be back. Okay, so my chow mein finished boiling, so I'm gonna strain it now. So we'll be back. Okay, so my mince have been frying up for 5 minutes. So let me taste it. See if it needs the other cube. Tastes good, but yeah, I'm gonna put the other cube inside of the. Oh, mince tastes really good. And what I'm also gonna do, I'm just gonna put maybe about 3 teaspoons of water in it. Yeah, to form a little juice or so. Alright. This is actually finished. So I'm gonna pour it over into my chow mein now. So we'll be back. Okay guys, I just found my black pepper. So I'm gonna put a little black pepper in it. And it's still, I'm also gonna put some all-purpose seasoning in it. Alright. All my ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below. Alright. So what you're gonna do now, move this to the side and put the chow mein here. And you're gonna, you're gonna pour this, you're gonna pour this over into your chow mein. Yes, you pour all the mince into your chow mein. And then you're gonna mix it together. Mix, mix, mix. We'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my corn now. Mix it up into my chow mein. So it's all done here. So I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see the end results. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my chow mein, my Guyanese chow mein and mince. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell. So you guys will be notified whenever I upload the next video. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, today is Vlogtober day 6. I know today's video is going to be a little late because I had so much things to do. So I'm going to edit this video now and post it right away for you guys, because I know you guys have been waiting. Alright, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow, Vlogtober day 7. Stay blessed guys. Bye. Thanks for your support.